deep. I mean, they won't let you even near it, so it's probably real deep. True. Right, we're right next to building 19. It's right there, and as you can see, the carriage thing is, you know, the thing that gets carried. Oh, I don't know how to use this thing. But I'm gonna get out of the car, and then I'm gonna videotape, hopefully being able to stand. Police officers, they're good guys, but building 19 is right there. As you can see, it's halfway up that building. I'm gonna try and get closer to over there.
A lot of ruins. I said, hey, clearance prices, you know?
That was a good one.
That way no more. Not unless you got a boat. Oh, you can't even get across.
I'd like to take a raft over there. I think it'd be cool. See the city differently, you know, by a boat and raft instead of by the car, you know. I've never touched the top of these things. You could probably touch the top when you're in a boat, and then you could probably climb to the top of there too. I've never been on top of there. You know, I think this flood is a very good learning experience if you want to do educational things like paddle. News! Just want to point out that car. That was definitely just to show how high the water's gonna get. Oh, and this one, that one too. They could have definitely got out of there before the water became 14 feet high. Definitely. This is all for show. Ah, look at, I'm taking a video of people who are taking a video of all that. Look at that. It's like a river. Buried. More underwater cars. All for show. They definitely knew. So, no doubt. No doubt.
You have to go to see Province Street. I know. The dumpsters in the middle of the road, the CVS, the toilet.
It's a crazy amount of water. See? Fast. Sears. Bulldozer. Water. Guy trying to get out of the water. Yeah, he might not be doing such a good a job at that, but that's okay. Because he moved. I saw him move. Oh, that's funny. That's my friend Kyle. Let's go back to that guy. Yeah. Yeah. There he goes. Nope. Nope. Oh. What was he trying to do? Geez, look at that. See? They're benefiting. Oh, he got out. Swifty. Good man. Oh, thanks for blocking the shot, guy. I'm gonna touch the water. Touched it. I just touched it. I touched it. How sick is that? Sandbags. There's actually people in there. Rafflecopter. In Rhode Island right now, these little arrows and signs are everywhere. Yeah, they're pretty much everywhere. I'm pretty much lost. I don't know where to go. Well, I'm not lost because I know exactly where I am, but I have no idea where to go. And this person right to the left of me won't let me in, so I'm just gonna have to barter. To use a history term, I'm gonna barter. Give me my cat if you let me in. Please? Haha, I'm not gonna give you my cat. Huh. Think I was gonna give you my cat. Oops, state trooper. I really have no idea. Oh, look at that lone car over there. Oh, look at how cool that is. He's just like chilling. I wish I was over there. I believe this to be slightly interesting. It's not really interesting since I already took like 3 hours of video like of the ocean at Warwick Mall. Oh, another cop. You don't really see this every day. People actually being allowed to walk on the highway. Things that happen because of floodness.